Hyderabad chapter of Retail Association of India. So we are here today at Hyderabad Retail Summit, the new edition for 2025, and it's a forum where Association of India, which is a national body, has its strong presence in Hyderabad, and under one roof, all the retailers, all the top brands, all the aspiring retailers, all the new retailers, uh, everyone comes under one roof today for this summit, and to gain knowledge, to great connect with each other, make good networking. A lot of panel discussions that happen, a lot of fireside chats, a lot of partnership presentations that are happening today for the fraternity and the field and industry of retail. And you'll see all the brands, all the iconic brands also of Hyderabad, who have been part of this whole summit and supported this summit, and a lot of retailers who have actually made the name nationally also and globally also, who are part of this. So RAI is the only biggest body in the entire country that actually helps, supports, brings everybody under one roof, and supports a lot for the advocacy and growth of all retailers at once. And we are here today with Hyderabad Retail Summit, which is happening here in Hyderabad at ITC Kohinoor, and we are looking forward to having a great day and learning experience with all retailers today.
Sir, how many retailers are present?
So we had more than 400 people here as a gathering, and more than about say 150 brands directly, indirectly involved with the entire event. And we have also felicitated some top retailers who are there here as icons of Hyderabad, which we did last year as well with 5 retailers, and this year also we have awarded them. So apart from just the felicitation, it is also a learning experience for entire retail fraternity.
So, what are the activities from the?
So at IRI, we keep doing a lot of activities nationally, internationally, and also from the state. One event that we did last year in December was RED, the Retail Employees Day, that we celebrate every year on 12 December. So even this year, we are going to do that one big national event where all retail brand owners, promoters, all the employees, staff, we had more than 2,000 people coming last year. Even this year, we're expecting more than 3,000 people who will come under for this event, and will make it a big success. So apart from Hyderabad Retail Summit, the RED event is two big summits that happen, and we do small programs for every retail need, like HR program, IT, AI, so all technology. So everything keeps happening under the roof of RAI. So we keep doing small events throughout the year, but the biggest event is the Hyderabad Retail Summit for RAI in Telangana.